National Weather Service and State College has issued a flash flood warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, New Holland, Leola, Paradise, Strasburg, Coryville, Smithville, Leacock, Bearville, Safe Harbor, Shanks Ferry, Lapeter, Intercourse, Conestoga, Georgetown, Gordonville, Bird in Hand and Smoketown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service and State College, Pennsylvania